How to claim delay repay refund from Greater Anglia. So first of all, you're going to want to go to any web browser on your phone or laptop or computer, whatever it might be. You want to type in greateranglia.delayrepaycompensation.com. That's the one there you want to go to. Then once you're there, all you have to do is click on Start a New Claim. Then you will be taken to a form where you have to fill out your personal details and the details of the train that was delayed. So once you've inputted all of those details, eventually it'll come up on screen. Essentially, you'll be able to tick it and then click add a card and submit claims. You want to put your card details in, so then when they give you the refund, it will go to this card. So make sure you put in the correct details for that. And then once you've filled out the form correctly, I managed to get it after a little while. It isn't just a few days. Sometimes it might take a few weeks, but eventually it'll be on there. So leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.